This is a quick video to show you how to set up a trading stop loss in the screener. You can do this for any of the 22,000 companies in the screener. And as you'll see, it's very easy and quick to do. First of all, you need to find the company you're looking for. There's Tesla. Just confirm it. So then we go to Tesla and you'll see the price is $233.29. That was yesterday's closing price. You want to add an alert. You want to set a price alert. You want to go to the closing price. Current value is that. And we want to set a trailing stop loss from the top. You can enter the price there if you bought at a different price, or otherwise you can just add a percentage change that you want. And then you'll see the closing price, trailing stop loss, 15% on 233. It's set. And here you can go back to Tesla. Or you can go, wait a minute, sorry, go back to the screen. All the alerts are here, and here you can see all your alerts, and you can just delete it if you don't need it anymore, or you can edit it if you want. If an alert is triggered, you will get an email that looks like this: Quant Investing, your alert was triggered. This one is the message to tell me that the financial statements of British American Tobacco has been updated, but it'll tell you that the trading stop loss of Tesla has been breached, and when it was breached, if you have a note on the company, it'll also show you the note, and it'll tells you how to edit or change the alert once you have received the email. Once you receive the email, the alert is gone. Here is your alerts that have been triggered, and these are not monitored anymore. This is just for your history. You can, of course, copy it and create a new alert, but just to tell you, once a trading stop loss has been triggered, then it moved to the triggered alerts, and it won't be showing again if the price drops below that, for example. So you have to create a new stop loss.